This is the ice cream truck problem. It was a hot summer day and Abdullah hears the ice cream truck. He runs outside, but when he gets there, it's already gone. Then he hears it again. He runs outside and he sees the truck. He takes off his shoes and socks, ties them together, and swings from the clothesline to the truck. Alif sees this and yells, "Hey, wait up!" Abdullah turns around and yells, "I'm getting ice cream." Alif says, "You don't have any money." Abdullah says, "I know, but I have a plan." So Alif follows him. They go into the store and Abdullah says, "Okay, here's my plan. You distract the man and I'll grab some money from the till." Alif says, "Are you crazy? That's not gonna work." Abdullah says, "What's your plan then?" Alif thinks for a second and says, "Well, we could grab all the money from the piggy banks of all the kids in our building." Abdullah says, "That's even crazier, but I like it." So they run outside to start their piggy bank robbery, but first, they need a weapon. Alif grabs a stick and Abdullah grabs a spoon. They go to the first apartment and stick the spoon and stick in the keyhole. It doesn't work, so they try the next apartment. This time the door opens and they both scream. The lady screams too, then she laughs and closes the door. "That was funny," she says, and they hear a loud crash. She must have dropped her piggy bank. So they keep going until they reach the ice cream truck. Abdullah says, "All right, I have an even better plan now. Watch this." He goes up to the ice cream man and says, "Hey, can I get 2 double scoop ice creams? 1 chocolate, 1 vanilla?" The ice cream man says, "Sure thing." Then Abdullah does a magic trick and says, "Hey, presto, change O." The ice cream man doesn't laugh. He just stares at him. Abdullah says, "What? You don't want to give me free ice cream?" The ice cream man says, "Listen, if you want ice cream, pay for it. If not, get out of my truck." Abdullah says, Okay, I'll pay for it." He gives the ice cream man all the money he has. That's exactly $2.13. The ice cream man says, "That won't even pay for 1 ice cream, let alone 2. Abdullah says, "Oh, I know, but maybe you can just give me 1 really big ice cream that I can share with my friend." The ice cream man thinks for a second. "Yeah, sure, why not?" He hands Abdullah a huge waffle cone filled with melting ice cream. They both take a bite at the same time, and it drips down their hands and onto their shoes and socks. Abdullah says, "Do you want my sock?" Alif says, No, I want your shoe." They start to laugh and run away with their ice cream dripping down their legs, and that's the end of the ice cream truck problem. Do you have a funny story about an ice cream truck? Share it in the comments below, and if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss an episode. See you next time.